This is the Realme GT Neo 3T. As a successor, the GT Neo 3T needs to bring some sort of improvement over the last generation. And it does so in the form of charging tech. The Neo 3T is now capable of 80-watt Super Dart charge, also found on the GT2 Pro. Another upgrade would be the software, as the Neo 3T launches with Realme UI 3.0 on top of Android 12. Then again, the Neo 2 is upgradable to Android 12 as well. Aside from the new paint jobs, there's hardly any difference between the Realme GT Neo 2 and the Neo 3T. Dimensions and weight are pretty much identical, and so is the back design. The panel on the back and the frame remain plastic, and a Gorilla Glass 5 sheet protects the front. The slightly curved back design and the side frames finish help, with the grip to some extent, although the frosted finish which imitates AG glass is somewhat slippery. No way around it, it does feel pretty nice to the touch. The camera island is identical to the GT Neo 2 and follows the same design language as its 2022 siblings as well. The main 64MP sensor along with the 8MP ultra-wide camera stick out within separate metal rings, while the macro shooter and the two LED flashes are positioned symmetrically next to them. The module itself protrudes quite a bit and causes the phone to wobble on a flat surface. There's nothing out of the ordinary around the sides. The pattern power button is placed on the right and sits right within thumb's reach. The left is where the volume controls are, while the bottom houses the USB-C connector, the main speaker grille and the dual SIM card tray, and no room for a microSD card in there. The display uses a Samsung-made E4 AMOLED that fits in a 6.62-inch diagonal, offering a standard 1080 by 2400 px resolution, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, 1300 nits peak brightness and 120 Hz refresh rate. It can do 360 Hz touch sampling rate for improved responsiveness when gaming. HDR10 Plus support is also on the list of features, and we can confirm that it works on Netflix and YouTube. It's no surprise that the GT Neo 3T offers long battery life, since it shares the same hardware as the GT Neo 2, which showed great results in our endurance tests. With the same 5000 mAh battery and the same Snapdragon 870 SoC under the hood, the only difference between these two is the software. And perhaps that's the reason for the GT Neo 3T's better standby runtime. With a lovely display, speedy performance, solid battery life and a very fast charger, this phone is an enticing mid-range option. If you're not too bothered about camera performance and just want a speedy device at a reasonable price, we doubt you'd be disappointed with the Realme GT Neo 3T. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.